Hi friends, welcome to our channel D365 Talks. In this video, we will not talk about Dynamics 365 SCM or any ERP related content. We will primarily unbox the joining kit which I received long back, but I didn't get an opportunity to unbox this before. And I thought, why not share this content along with my friends in our channel D365 Talks. I know I kind of shared this before also with you in some of the videos that I joined as Senior Product Manager in Microsoft Dynamics 365 SCM in Bengaluru, India. And as part of this onboarding process, I received this joining kit, and this joining kit content primarily may vary depending upon the geographies of the Microsoft location. And I'm equally excited in terms of understanding what is offered as part of the joining kit. So let's quickly jump into today's episode of unboxing the joining kit offered in Microsoft. And if you are someone interested in the content related to Microsoft Copilot or Microsoft Dynamics 365 SCM, make sure that you subscribe to the channel D365 Talks or follow my profile in LinkedIn. So with that note, let's get started. Yeah, I need to unwrap the cello tape first, but like I said, I kind of know from my friends what is offered as part of this kit. Let's unbox this. Yeah, I can see the logo of Microsoft. This makes more appealing. Yeah, I think there is a box which is offered as part of this joining kit. Let me keep this cotton box open. Yeah, so this is a box which is offered that seems to be pretty professional with the Microsoft logo on the top. And so let me open this. Yes, so what we have a joining card. Probably I'll just read this out. Hey there, almost welcome to Microsoft family. Here's little something that will hopefully empower you along this journey we are embarking on together. And always remember that this isn't just about software. Yeah, of course, Microsoft, that's what we believe in. It's not just about the software which we build. It's about working together towards a brighter and more sustainable future. And our Microsoft mission is to empower every person, every organization on the planet to achieve more. Aren't just words, it's our promise, because that's a commitment which Microsoft is making for a better world and a better place through innovation, collaboration, and positive impact. I love these phrases, and this is what exactly we mean in our everyday work. And I love this welcome joining card, and there's nothing on the back side, but we have another card. I'm not sure. Oh, this is a game pass. I'm pretty excited about this. This is a game pass which we get for Xbox, and I really love playing Xbox games. And so then we have some cool posters, I guess. Not sure. Let's check this out. I think let me kind of take this out. So we have some good amount of posters from Horizon 5, eye-catching posters. And even if you are working from home and makes your workspace more appealing, and I love these design posters. I think this will be more like it will help us to get a good warm feel of our workspace wherever we work. And then we also have a sleeve bag, and I think that's something which we can look into. I'll put this posters inside the cover. Just don't want to mess this up. So I'm just putting this inside the cover, then I'll keep this aside. Then we have a very sleek sleeve bag. I think it's a pretty good bag. I think it's made of fabric. I think it's easy for carrying any laptops. I think yeah, very sleek bag. It's pretty good, and I really love this. I think we'll be able to carry only laptops, and I do not see any other provisions inside for us to carry. But here comes the exciting part of it. So we have a pouch which is offered, and I really love this pouch. Slim but sturdy, making it an ideal companion for the travel. I think yeah, we have good number of pouches, and it's easy to carry, and it's built with sturdy quality. I really love this, man. This will really help me during my travel and official purposes. And then we have a water bottle, and this is pretty good. I guess this must be around the liter water bottle, and this is pretty good, and this is very seal proof. It's solid, lightweight, and easy to carry for the office. And we have a notepad, also a diary, and I really like this design with a leather lock, and with a good professional look, with a black and silver combination with the Microsoft logo on top of it. And so it has good number of pages, and I really love the fragrance of new books and papers. This is pretty cool. Also, we have a small box. I'm not sure what is inside this. Let me open this. So we have not sure, we have a lot of pouches inside. Let me check what is written on this. So express my feelings but make it word art. Not sure. Random access memories. I am fluent. I am in emoji. Okay, let's just check this out. Not sure what is inside. I think we got some good amount of emojis. Oh, that's great. These are also offered as part of the joining kit, and I really love these emojis or stickers which can be pasted on in your laptops or in your workspace. And I think this is also must be emojis. Yeah, these are also emojis. Like, I like these cool stickers. I really love this, man. I really love this. And this is these are something which puts smile on your face. You know, that's what Microsoft really cares about, and building a very positive work-life culture, and developing that growth mindset. And but anyway, this box is pretty good. I can use this whenever I kind of travel. This will be really helpful. I'll just keep this on the joining kit. But on the top, we also have two more things. I know from my friends that the Plantable pencils are also offered as part of the joining kit, but I'm seeing this for the first time. And because, like I also mentioned, as part of the welcome note, Microsoft really cares about moving towards a very brighter and more sustainable future. And in each and every software development task that we do, we really care about the sustainability of our environment. And these are Plantable pencils. I'm seeing this for the first time. And we have a pencil. Also, it is written Holy Basil. So once the pencil is used, you have the seeds in the bottom, and you can plant it. And then the names are written tomato, and then this is where marigold. So these are written on the bottom of the pencils. We can make use of that. And once the pencil is completed, we can plant the seeds. Not sure, are these also pencils or what? I'm not sure. Oh, these are pens, Plantable pens. I think these will contain seeds in the, yeah, so we have good variety of fruits here. Tomato, coriander, what's this? Marigold, morning glory. Then we have carrot. Okay, so that's what, like I said, that's what Microsoft really cares about, the sustainability in each and every task that we do. And that's also a reason even in the joining kit, these kind of importance is given. And I really love the way it has been phrased as part of the joining kit. And especially we are in this together, because together we are better. Even our channel mission is also to empower every person, every organization in the Dynamics 365 community to achieve more. So that's what we are actually moving towards, right? So this is really a pretty good one. I'm really happy about this. But wait a minute, am I missing something? I think I need to pull this out. I think we completely missed this part. Let me close this box. And that is this is a top portion of this joining kit. I think we need to pull this out, and I can see a bag beneath it, and we completely missed this part. I know that a bag is offered as part of the joining kit, but I completely missed this part. Let me pull this over. This is a pretty cool design, a professional bag with I think it has a lot of quick access front pockets, and it's pretty spacious also. And the interesting aspect of this bag is I also seen some of my friends carrying this. It comes with a USB port and a 3.5mm jack, which can be wired from inside the bag with a, you can see that it comes with a wired facility. And of course it's a pretty spacious main component to carry your laptop and even whatever the other stuffs which you need as part of your official work is concerned. And I really love the design of this bag, and I have been waiting for this bag to carry my day-to-day work. And so this is pretty cool. And thanks for watching this video. I really enjoyed unboxing this joining kit along with my friends in D365 Talks. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel in case if you are someone interested in contents related to Microsoft Copilot or Dynamics 365 SAM. I'll catch you guys soon in another interesting video. Sriram Sivashankaran signing off.